Perfume with a long-lasting fragrance can be made from the following materials. These are methanol or ethanol, perfume concentrate, also known as essential oils, and propylene glycol. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 500 ml of long-lasting perfume. Methanol 350 ml, perfume concentrate or essential oils 175 ml, and propylene glycol 25 ml. Now these are the materials. This is methanol. Now these are essential oils, or sometimes called perfume concentrate. Here we are using two types of them. We have the vanilla and blue water. If you want to come up with a very unique aroma of a perfume, you can blend or combine 2 or 3 perfume together. And this is propylene glycol. Now pour your methanol into a container and add the propylene glycol to the methanol. Stir the solution properly. Methanol enables the perfume properties to mix properly. Usually when you spray the perfume on the body, the alcohol evaporates, leaving behind the sweet smell. Now the propylene glycol is a carrier. It makes the aroma of the perfume to last. Now add the essential oil or perfume concentrate. Here we are using 2 of them, vanilla and blue water. Stir the solution properly. Now the ratio of methanol to perfume concentrate is 2:1. That is, 2 parts of methanol will always require 1 part of perfume. This is ideal for use. You can store it in a spray bottle. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you if you like